everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Amazon Prime account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log out of your Amazon Prime Video account, you must be in the main homepage first. Once you're inside the main homepage of Amazon Prime Video, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. Now, from the options, click on the Sign Out button and you'll be able to log out of your Amazon Prime Video account just with a simple click. If you want to log in back again, you'll need to click the sign in link at the top right, enter your Amazon account's credential in the text boxes and click the sign in button. That's how you can easily log out of Amazon Prime Video account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.